Samsung planning to launch Galaxy S21 FE with its Exynos chipset. Samsung planning to launch Galaxy S21 FE with Exynos chipset. So that's not a good news because what Exynos is a chipset from Samsung. It's a chipset they manufacture, and they can do this cheaper than Snapdragon, because when they use Snapdragon they have to pay Snapdragon to buy the chipset, but when they use Exynos they don't need to pay anyone because they manufacture that. So when Samsung use Exynos, we see a lot of issues because Snapdragon is better than Exynos. Samsung has reportedly postponed the Galaxy S21 FE launch for the last quarter of the year due to the shortage of chips. The phone has expected to arrive with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chips with limited supply, but according to sources from South Korea, there might be a change of plan. Mail business reporters to Galaxy S21 FE will ship with the in-house Exynos chipsets at overseas markets such as Europe and North America. Samsung planning to launch it's already read. Samsung has been struggling to launch new phones with flagship chips due to production shortage. The 2021 Galaxy Note series was altogether cancelled because of that. Still apparently, Samsung does not want to follow that with yet another cancellation of high-profile products, so the Galaxy S21 FE getting a chipset swap makes sense. Besides, different chipsets for different markets are not new for Samsung. The Galaxy S series has been launched with Qualcomm and Exynos platforms simultaneously for the better half of the past decade. So, let's discuss about this. There are a lot of issues because of the pandemic, because of the COVID-19, and a lot of Chinese market. They can't manufacture the amount of chips all world are needing. So PS5 we don't have on stock, Xbox Series X we don't have on stock. A lot of new motherboards, video boards. We don't have these things because the chips are out of stock. And because of that, maybe Samsung will have to put Exynos chipset on Samsung S21 FE. Oh, this is bad, man, because Snapdragon is a lot of better, and this is a bad news. Maybe with this pandemic is over, maybe when it's end, maybe the things will come to be normal again. I would like to have a PS5. I already have the controller, but I don't have the PS5 because I can't buy it. It doesn't have on the stores. And I want to buy a new computer, but everything is expensive now. And I will want to buy a Galaxy S21 FE, but I don't want it with Exynos. I want it with Snapdragon. So that's it, guys. If you liked what I talked here about this news, you can chat and discuss this news with me during the stream. I make the stream every Thursday at my YouTube channel, Tech Live. The YouTube channel is on the link on the description. Go there, participate with me during the live, and we have a good evening together. So that's it, what I wanted to talk to you about those news. Okay, let's go to the next clip.